Today I'm going to speak about psychological balance. So what is psychological balance? The result of a healthy and steady mind actually. The mind itself can cause all sorts of problems unless we really get to know ourselves and realize that we can't stop thoughts and feelings, but we can manage them. The human mind is the thoughts and feelings aspect of the brain. And unless we learn to understand what is happening within it, we will find the connection very difficult to pursue. The mind itself can be a difficult thing to manage, yet the more we know about it, the better our mind and body connection will be. We add meaning to everything that happens to us, and the meaning that we add to every single episode is usually led by our belief systems. So the mind itself is split into 3 different areas, and when we are able to understand each of them, we are able to pursue a balanced and healthy mind. So the first area of mind is the feeling area. It's developed first in the human brain, and it produces physical stress and anxiety reaction. It is responsible for strong emotional responses along with a chemical reaction that occurs in the body. The thinking area developed much later than the feeling area. It is the logical point of awareness, the adult mind, and the one that is responsible for the true personality. The third, but not least, are the beliefs. What are the beliefs? Beliefs are truths and untruths that can fuel the thinking and feeling area of the mind at any time. This mind, our mind, can drive us mad if we let it, and this is because often tells us things we don't want to hear. This is an age-old concept based on the different areas of the brain. I'll tell you a couple of the examples, what it is, how it is, when the thinking and feeling area are battling against each other daily. For example, it is Saturday or Sunday, you lay on the couch, you watch TV, and you got the idea in your mind which tells you, I want to go to the gym, I want to get fit, I want to be healthy. On the same time, there is another thought tells you, oh, stay at home and watch TV. You only live once. Another example would be when there comes the evening and all of us, we like to eat, and we had a thought, I shouldn't eat this bread as it will make you feel heavy and fatigued. On the same time, you get another thought which tells you, oh, eat it. You deserve it. It is a treat. So as you can see, there is always thinking and feeling area is like kind of the small devil and small angel on your both shoulders sitting and telling, do this or do that. So the thinking area manages to assess things in a logical fashion with a view to long-term health and well-being, while the feeling area can only think in terms of short-term satisfaction, panic, and anxiety. Yet to spend our lives thinking about short-term satisfaction, panic, or anxiety will make us ill and unhappy. When we consider health and psychological balance, we have to ensure that the thinking and feeling mind understand each other. We can't simply switch the feeling mind off because in biological terms, it is the biggest area of the brain. It evolved first and it is stronger than the smaller, lesser evolved thinking area. Mindful awareness is something that we can learn in order to manage the mind successfully. It takes a lot of effort though, and the effort that you put into learning mindfulness, in other words, meditation, will directly reflect the skill that you build when becoming mindful. So stop this daily battle of your thinking and feeling minds and start meditating now.